Welcome back, Schlubach community. Here, Stefan Schloss from our headquarters nearby Berlin. Today, in a really special episode, I want you guys to follow with me to the greatest construction event in the world, BAUMA 2025. It's going to be an amazing journey from the very beginning, taking a train till Munich, getting to know amazing people, getting to know the trends, the innovations, and of course, how the BAUMA experience is. I'm really looking forward to get to know the brands that are really rocking the market, learn about the cultural approach that Germany has to construction. Try the different experiences that these big brands are bringing into the market. And of course, our first impression and how to get into this kind of events with a humble approach, easygoing, light baggage is going to be a really challenge, but nevertheless it's going to be a great opportunity to be efficient. We're going to give up a little bit on the comfort, but we're going to have a great approach from the idea we have to this event. So please be my guest and remember to subscribe to our channel and share with the people that might be interested on this kind of content. Looking forward to see you.